In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Ads suspended for unpaid balance. If your account is paused because of money owed, don't worry, this is one of the most straightforward suspensions to resolve. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so your ads can start serving again. First, open your Google Ads account and sign in. You'll land on your dashboard. From here, head straight to billing. You can find it in the main menu. This is where Google keeps all payment details, invoices, and your current balance. Take a moment to review what you see. If your account is suspended for unpaid balance, you'll typically notice a past due amount or a highlighted alert at the top of the page. Next, view your unpaid invoices. Open the invoices section to see what's outstanding and the exact amounts. Check the invoice dates and totals so you know what needs to be paid today. If you recently updated a card or changed banks, confirming these details helps avoid a repeat issue. Now it's time to make the payment. In billing, go to Payment Methods. If you already have a valid payment method on file, you can use it to settle the balance right away. If not, add a payment method that you know will work, such as a current credit or debit card, or another supported option for your country. Make sure the card has sufficient funds and that the billing address matches what your bank has on record. Select your payment method, enter the required details, and confirm the payment. Wait for the confirmation message. You can also refresh the billing page to see the updated balance. If a payment fails, double-check the card information, available funds, and any bank security holds, then try again. Once you've paid the unpaid balance, contact Google support regarding the suspended account. Use the Help option inside Google Ads to reach support by chat or email, and let them know the suspension was for an unpaid balance that you've now cleared. Share relevant information like the invoice number and payment confirmation, but do not include sensitive details such as passwords or full card numbers. Ask them to review the account and lift the suspension. Support may take a short time to verify the payment, so keep an eye on your email and your account status. That's it. Open your account, go to billing, review and pay your unpaid invoices using a valid method, confirm the payment, and then contact Google support to request reinstatement. With those steps complete, your ads should resume once the payment is processed and the review is done.